In other news now across Texas, housing inmates in sweltering prisons without air conditioning is, quote, plainly unconstitutional. That was a ruling from U.S. District Judge Robert Pittman in reporting by the Texas Tribune. However, the judge declined to order temporary or permanent air conditioning to be immediately installed. The Texas Department of Criminal Justice did not immediately respond to a request for comment, and at least 5 bills have been filed this legislative session, which would require state prisons to be equipped with air conditioning. None of those bills have received a hearing yet.